Welcome back to Tech by Pike. I am really excited to have this new piece of tech in-house today for unboxing and review. It is this year's Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 14-inch gaming laptop. I think this comes in the, I think we got the white or the, I think they call it the platinum white color. Anyway, it comes with a 3K OLED 120 Hz 2880 by 1800 resolution, 500 nits of max brightness screen. Comes with an AMD Ryzen AI 9HX processor, 32 gigabytes of RAM. The GPU is the NVIDIA RTX 5080 and has a 2 terabyte drive. I am so excited to have this here. It's been a while since I've actually reviewed a laptop, and it's time. Anyway, we're going to unbox it. We're going to take a first look at it and hopefully get some gaming on and see how this thing performs. Let's get into it. Okay, let's unbox this thing. On the power brick here, you got this embossment of the Asus logo. Really kind of like that. Okay, I think the max here is 200 watts on this power brick. I could be wrong, but that's how I'm reading that. Anyway, and I know that the maximum power to the GPU is 120 watts on manual. So, anyway, lots of cabling there. It's very nice. Anything else in here? No. Toss that down. Let's go ahead and get into the laptop box here. I don't want to wreck the box in any way, so we're going to be very careful. Hopefully. There we go. Not there. Turn it around here and carefully. And yes, it's kind of that ivory color, I guess you could call it. I like that a lot better. Let's go ahead and lift this out. I'll go ahead and take a look at the warranty card information. Looks like we have our general notes, how to hook it up, turn it on. There's a number of keys that maybe you might want to be aware of. We've got a micro SD card slot, 3.2 Gen 2, USB 3.2 Gen to Type-C, DisplayPort, and power delivery. Power DC input port, that's the where you plug it in at. HDMI, USB 4, power delivery combo port, and a head jack, headphone headset, microphone jack. We'll take a look at those here in just a moment. Okay, and then you got some things to download, safety data sheet. So that's great. Never to be looked at again. Now for the main event. Here we go. So this is an all metal chassis, milled aluminum, maybe. But I like this accent stripe right here with the Republic of Gamers, ROG. Established date 2006 was the established year. I really like that. Let's go ahead and lift up the hood here with one finger. Doesn't budge one bit. Okay. Boy, we got the fat keys there. The trackpad is nice and smooth. Clicks up to about there. But I like that. The sticker alignment is okay. Has an NVIDIA G-Sync, by the way. I may have not mentioned that. Keys have pretty good travel. I'm not sure I like the fact that they're so big. I don't know. That'll be something I'll have to get used to. Got some function keys up here. I'm guessing that launches the Asus ROG, and I forget the name of it off the top of my head, but it's their proprietary software that kind of manages the productivity of this laptop, and depending on what you're doing, gaming, productivity, just surfing the web, you can set it to different settings to optimize the laptop. Got some volume buttons here, and then a mute microphone button. Then you got your power button right here. All right, very cool. Speakers on the side here. I think that's it. All right, let's check out the lid here. I'm just gonna push down on it ever so lightly. There's a little bit of bowing right there, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. Pretty rock solid all the way around. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that to the side. We're gonna lift this up with one finger. And I didn't really see much wiggle. That is pretty stiff. So that's great. All in all, it's a pretty durably built laptop. Okay. Your ports on this laptop. You got your mini SD card slot. You got a USB-A, USB-C. On the other side here, you got your power in delivery. It's your proprietary power cable. And you got a HDMI, USB-C, power delivery like we talked about, USB-A, and your microphone headphone jack combo. Put it on the back here, on the top I mean. Look at the bottom plate here. Looks like you got some downward firing speakers. You got a lot of intake for air, keep the laptop cool. You got long rubber feet right here to keep the laptop off the table or the desk or wherever you're at, so airflow can get underneath. So that's nice. All laptops have those, really. All right. The screws that are holding the bottom plate to the chassis is held there by T6 screws. You got some shorties up front, like this guy right here that I can't seem to pick up. And then you got these longer ones on the side, the back, and one right in the middle. You got two that I didn't see right away, but they're underneath these little rubber stoppers. They're not even feet really for the laptop. They're rubber stoppers that just sit there over the screw and hide it. Like I said before, this is a CNC aluminum chassis. Got some venting there, downward facing speaker grills. Okay. So you got your 73 watt battery, your two downward facing speakers. You got your Wi-Fi card. You got your two fans with a number of dedicated pipes here. And then you got your two heat sinks, one for the GPU and one for the CPU. And then you got your, in our case, 2 terabyte drive. Just to let you know, there's no upgrade in the memory on this laptop. The memory is soldered to the motherboard. I think it's on the flip side. And so when you pick out this laptop, or if this is a laptop you want to choose, you want to make sure that you choose it with the right amount of memory for you, whether it's 32 gig or 64. You just need to be able to, you need to pick it out because you won't be able to upgrade it after the fact. So just to let you know. I think that's about it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and secure this plate back on the chassis, and then we're going to turn this guy on and check out the performance. Okay, I'm running a couple CPU tests using Cinebench R23. Multi-core is running right now, then I'll go to single core. The gaming laptop is actually set to turbo, not the fans, just the laptop itself, but boy, the fans are cranking. And it's pretty hot. I mean, right where the GPU is, I can feel the heat coming through. So anyway, I am guessing if you have the laptop on turbo and you're gaming for, I don't know, long periods of time, 30 minutes or so, these fans are going to kick on and it's going to be potentially this loud. Okay, I'm not a big fan of benchmarking tools. I mean, there are some good ones and there's some that really suck. And so anyway, I went with Cinebench and 3D Mark, and the scores came out okay. What you would expect from a 14-inch gaming laptop with an RTX 5080 GPU and an AMD processor. The heat dispersion is smaller because the laptop's smaller, and so things kind of slow down a little bit when it gets really, really hot, and the fans get really, really loud when the laptop gets hot. It's expected. These fans got really loud. But we did a little benchmarking and played a game or two and did some in-game benchmarking, you know, with Horizon Zero Dawn and a couple Red Dead, I think. So anyway, take a look at those. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this from Tech by Pike, hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it. It helps the channel. Not only that, it gives us an opportunity to bring more videos like this to you. And for that, we thank you. We'll see you in the next one.